How to fix Synchrony cannot make payment. To fix Synchrony Bank cannot make payment error or issue, you can use the desktop incognito mode. You simply have to open incognito or private window on a desktop computer, go to the official login portal of My Synchrony Bank. Then you simply have to turn off any active VPNs or ad blockers. Want to do this? You can try to make payment using the web browser itself. Or what you can also do is you can try to relink or delete your checking account. Log into the Synchrony portal using any web browser of your choice. Log into your account by tapping on the sign in option on the top right. From there, go to the payment methods by tapping on your profile and select linked checking account and click delete. Once you do this, click add payment method, enter your 9-digit routing number and check account number and save it as your primary method. Once you do this, your problem should be fixed.